Now, look down the peep sight. Wherever that thing is, that's where the bullets go. Okay. Okay? Have fun.
Neil, he's shooting. Neil. Sniper rifles in Russia.
Safety? Should have fired. Huh. That's the second time he did that.
Okay, I'll leave that to you.